This is a VANTRUE dash cam. This is one of the best dash cams that you're going to see, that you're going to be able to buy out there. Great price, and this is an industry standard, especially for people that are doing ride share, because it records the front, right, which is what you need for insurance, right, and it records the inside. So it's a deterrent if when people step into your car and they see that you have this camera, they behave well. So let's open it up. There you go. Have to pull here. All right, and then open it up. Right. Just gonna show this. So it's just one camera, as I understand. It comes the owner's manual. You could do that also by scanning a QR code that I'm not going to show. That QR code will show you how to set it up. And then here is the main camera. Okay, this is what you're going to find in there. Make sure it's sealed like this so that you know that you're getting a brand new camera. You see, this is sealed. Make sure that when you get it, it's like that, so you know that you're the only one that's used this camera. So there you go. So this is it requires some like putting together. It's really well made. I wish you could feel this. It's a mixture of metal with plastic. Metal in the inside, plastic in the outside. You need to take this off to when you put it together. But it's better to do it after you finish putting everything together. Let's put this to the side, and now let's see what's in here. In here you're going to see the screen, because it has a really nice screen. Let's see, what's this? This is the housing, so that the tape, so that you can put it on your glass. There's another camera there. We might be able to use that, but no, because this is really sticky. So when you do this, make sure you do it right, because it's almost permanent. And then you have the other side of the camera. More sticky stuff. This is for setting it up. The screen goes here. This goes to the this goes here. Okay. We'll find out what this is for. Surely. What I'm not seeing is a long cable, which is very important. This is the power supply. You might want to get something to open this, because they're not hard. Oh, this cable is long enough. Nice. There's a power supply with a USB, regular USB there, so that you can also plug something in there. And I'm going to say that this cable is for you. It's a USB regular to USB-C when you want to get the information out of the camera. So that's everything in the box. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. I'm looking for the card, right? Oh, it has screen protectors for the screen. And I'm hoping there's a card here, an SD card, in order to... I don't see the SD card here, but it's going to need one, and maybe it is already inside the camera. It comes with this sticker. I like this. You put this up as a rideshare guy, and people will see that there's a camera. I think in some states you might have to inform people that you're recording them. So I'll put, there's signs that are printed and you can buy on Amazon for that. And I'll put those in links somewhere else. So that's what's inside the box. And then we're gonna put it together and we'll let you know.